Meow, 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 meow. Oh, what is that sound which so thrills the ear? Down in the valley drumming, drumming, only the scarlet soldiers dear, the soldiers coming. Oh, what is that light I see flashing so clear? Over the distance brightly, brightly, only the sun on their weapons dear, as they step lightly. Oh, what are they doing with all that gear? What are they doing this morning, this morning? Only their usual maneuvers, dear, or perhaps a warning. Oh, why have they left the road down there? Why are they suddenly wheeling, wheeling? Perhaps a change in their orders, dear. Why are you kneeling? Oh, haven't they stopped for the doctor's care? Haven't they reined their horses, their horses? Why, they are none of them wounded, dear, none of these forces. Oh, is it the parson they want with white hair? Is it the parson? Is it? Is it? No, they are passing his gateway, dear, without a visit. Oh, it must be the farmer who lives so near. It must be the farmer so cunning, so cunning. They have passed the farmyard already, dear, and now they are running. Oh, where are you going? Stay with me here. Were the vows you swore deceiving, deceiving? No, I promise to love you, dear, but I must be leaving. Oh, it's broken the lock and splintered the door. Oh, it's the gate where they're turning, turning. Their boots are heavy on the floor.